model, 2009 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC Combi Disability Van Low Mileage MOT'D Camper Body, Black, Panel Van Mileage, 110689 MOT, 5 January 2024 Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhpa Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Tailgate hinges are broken and will need repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear area is extremely clean and tidy. Disabled access van with 6 seats and disabled ramp. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, tailgate EU status, Euro 4. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.